Hello and welcome. This is another TWI Avatar tutorial type video. We're going to be covering a couple of things that we've had some questions about and I felt would be easier to cover in video form. So today we are going to be covering purchasing your TWI avatar. We're going to be covering updating your avatar in case you are having trouble updating it to the most current version. We're also going to talk about upgrading, which is different from updating. Upgrading is if you have one of the older avatars. But we'll cover that at the end of the video. Right now, we are standing at the landing point at the TWI Sim, Silent Hills. This is our landing pad. Right now, we have a winter holiday event going on right now, and here's the portal for it. It's nice and glowy. But where you want to go to purchase your avatar is into the mall, so we're going to head that way. My computer's a little bit laggy today, unfortunately, but here is the main TWI avatar vendor, and we'll just kind of cam on this real quick. So as you can see, we are seeing the Timber Wolf avatar. Over here we have the buttons, and if you click the buttons, it will switch to a different one. So this one is currently loading in. This is the Red Fox avatar. And then right now we also have the lion, which is loading in right now. Soon there's going to be a deer. We are planning a whole bunch of other avatars. The deer is the one that's coming up the soonest. We're planning a smaller, like wildcat, possibly hyena, possibly some sort of bovine, possibly rabbits. Just keep checking back. There's usually going to be something new. But anyways, so this is the vendor for the TWI avatars. The wolf is the first mesh avatar that we came out with, the creator Rand. It is also one of the most popular, with the fox right behind it, and of course the lion is very popular as well. So you click the buttons, and that will bring up the screen. This right here is where you're paying. If you click here and you're like, oh, I want to buy the fox, I'll just pay the button. You're not going to get the fox, you're going to get the wolf, and we can't refund that because you've received the avatar. And there is no way on Second Life to return an object like an avatar to the creator for a refund because you could just easily get that avatar back via redelivery. You could change the name. There's no real way to do a refund. So please be careful. Wait for the sign to load. If you're not sure you selected the right one, try pushing the button, have it switch, and then switch back to the one you want so you're absolutely sure you're getting the one you want. So right now we have the lion and we want the wolf. So we're going to push the wolf button. And with Casper Vend, you can do a couple of things. You can get redelivery. There is no discounts at this time. You can gift it to someone else, where if you push the gift button, you can type in the name of the person you want to gift it to. So you would be purchasing the avatar for someone else. So that is an option. And if you want to just buy it for yourself, you can choose the L dollars, and then what it's going to say is you're going to want to right click, you're going to want to pay, and it's 3,000 linden for the complete avatar. You can see it has a ton of features. We have other videos covering that, and there will be more videos soon to come about that. But that's how you purchase your avatar. Now, when you purchase your avatar, you're going to have a box. So what I'm going to do is search for my box. So it's going to be Timber Wolf, and I'm going to look for my box. So this is my box, and I'm going to add it. It's going to put a box on my head, and then it's going to deliver the avatar. And so now I have the avatar in my folder. So if you go to your received items, now you have the complete avatar in your folder. So now it belongs to you. You can right click it and do replace current outfit. You can add it piece by piece if you really want to, but that takes forever. But anyways, so that is how you purchase your avatar. It's the same for all of them. Once you have purchased your avatar, you will now be eligible for size mods. I'm sure that you saw this kind of in the background and were wondering about it. These are different sizes for your avatar. So if you own the wolf, you will be able to purchase these different sizes. There's the really small one, There's a kind of dire wolf size, which is the big size. And then we have a gigantic one, which is huge. Same goes for the other ones. As you can see, the fox one is really, really, really tiny. But it will only be available for purchase if you already own the base avatar. If you try to purchase it without the avatar, you will be refunded your linden and you won't be able to purchase it. So per size mod, it's 500 linden. If you get the fat pack, which is all 3 sizes, it'll be 900 linden. Best deal because you're saving 100 linden there. But again, only if you own the base avatar. They're really cool, and I recommend them. But like I said, you have to own the base avatar first, otherwise it's not going to work. Now, let's say you have the base avatar, you've had it for a while, but it's not letting you purchase the size mods, or it's not letting you redeliver your avatar, which is right here, our redelivery terminal. It will bring you to the Casperven redelivery page, but it's not letting you do it. And you're wondering why. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to wear your update Oreo, which comes with every single TWI avatar, including the really old ones. That's very important. Remember that. Recently, our old server died, and so we moved to the Casperven system. What this means, though, is that if you had the avatar before we moved to the Casperven server, Casperven does not know that you own the avatar. We did a couple of notices for a couple of months saying, hey, please update your avatar as quickly as possible, but a lot of people were taking breaks from Second Life, which I get. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your update Oreo and you're going to wear it. Now, if you haven't worn it for a while, like let's say you don't have the Casperven update and you wear your Oreo on any other sim, it's not going to work. So what you need to do is if you have the older version, you need to find update Oreo. You're going to want to find your update Oreo. So let's do, I have a lot of update Oreos. Let's do, I'm trying to find a good one that I know is going to work properly. Okay, so this one is an older update Oreo. This one was before the Casperven update. So if you do not have the Casper update, then the Casper update version yet, sorry, I forgot how to English for a second. You need to stand in front of this vendor right here. You need to stand right where I'm standing or close to where I'm standing at the TWI sim and wear your update Oreo. And it's going to ping our vendors and it's going to say, hey, there's an update, and it's going to give you the Casperven version. So this one is the lion. So I wore an older update Oreo and it says, hey, you're not in our system yet, so I'm going to give you the new one. So I'm going to take off this update Oreo because I don't need it anymore because it gave me the update. And now I have this Casperven version. So you're going to wear that, and it's going to be a little update Oreo, and it's going to give you this. It's going to say, hey, would you like to receive the latest version now, which you would say yes to. I don't know why you would say never, because that would make things very difficult for everyone. So you're going to say yes. And it's going to hand you the newest up-to-date version. Now, again, I did wear the Lion Oreo because I didn't plan this very well. But now I have the most up-to-date version. And with the most up-to-date version, you will be able to use your update Oreo on any sim. You won't have to come to TWI in order to use it, but it has to be the Casperven version for that to happen. If it's not the Casperven version, the update Oreo will not work off sim. It has to be here if it's not the Casperven version. But once you do that update, then you don't have to worry about it anymore because, like I said, you can wear it on any sim. This goes for every single TWI avatar. It goes for the wolf, the fox, the lion. It goes for all the size mods, and it even goes for the Sculpt Avatars. Now, the reason why I bring up the Sculpt Avatars, they're very old, I know, but let me show you the Sculpt Avatar. These guys are the old Sculpt Avatars, and back when Sculpties were a thing, these guys cost around 2,000 linden. They were very good for their days, and they have aged very well still. But anyways, these are the Sculpt Avatars, and they are eligible if you owned yours before 2018. Then you can upgrade. your Sculpt avatar into a mesh version for a 1000 linden discount. And that's what these guys here are for. So if you have the old wolf, the old Sculpt wolf, you can get the, this is for the, why is that fox? That's wrong right there. That one's supposed to be the wolf. But anyways, I'll have to tell the creator about that because that's a bug. But anyways, if you own the old wolf before 2018, because the price did change for the older avatars after 2018. But if you had the 2018 and below version, March of 2018, rather, excuse me, you would be able to get a 1,000 linden discount on the wolf, the fox, the lion, and you would just come over here and you would pay it 2,000 linden to get the mesh avatar, which is a wonderful deal. Most creators do not offer that for two very different avatars. However, like I said, with the size mods and all that stuff, it needs to be up to date. And those avatars also have update Oreos, which you will need to stand in front of this vendor right here and use your update Oreo in order to get the most up-to-date version where the server knows, hey, you own this avatar, you're eligible. And then you would be able to purchase the discounted version of the mesh avatars. Now again, these are only for people who owned the Sculpt avatars before March of 2018. Otherwise, it's not going to work. If you have already purchased the avatar, after 2018, like the Sculpt avatar for the discounted, now they're only 750 linden, it will not count. It's going to say, hey, you're not eligible. And you'll have to buy it for the full price. Again, it has a lot of features, definitely worth it. But, so these are for the old original Sculpt owners. As a thank you for supporting us for so long, in the beginning, we weren't quite, Rand and the team weren't quite sure what TWI was going to be and how well it would do, and so we wanted to kind of do a thank you for the people who've been supporting us for that long. But anyways, so to kind of quickly cover what we've just talked about, you purchase the avatars by clicking on the buttons to select the one that you want, like the fox, the lion, the wolf, and you right-click the sign, and the display, the main one, is going to be the avatar you're getting, not the buttons. This main thing is going to be what you get. And then you push pay, and you'll get your avatar. If your avatar has not been updated to Casper Vend, then you need to stand where I am standing and wear your update Oreo in order to get the new Casper Vend version. And after that point, you will be able to use your update Oreo anywhere on any sim. But again, you have to get that Casper Vend version first in order for that to happen. And lastly, for people who owned the Sculpt avatars before March of 2018, you are able to get a 1,000 linden discount on the mesh avatars via these upgrade voucher box thingies. So yeah, that is today's quick video. Sorry for the lag and how poorly planned it was, but I felt that this needed to be made in order to help people out figuring out how to purchase the avatars, how to update, and how to upgrade, because I know we've had a lot of questions lately, and it's good to know these things. So anyways, if you have any questions, I want to direct you over this way, a little bit further past the vendors. We have a staff board which show all the staff members, whether or not they're online. Even if we are not online, feel free to send us a message with your question. And if you don't feel like waiting for a staff member, we also have this sign where you click it and you are able to join the group chat, and we have a lot of wonderful people who are more than willing to answer any questions that you may have. On that very same note, if no one is answering there, we have this sign where you are able to join us on Discord, and it will give you a Discord link when you click it, and you can join us on Discord, ask questions, comment your comments, just generally have fun. So anyways, once again, Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. And have a great new year. 2020 is coming up, so be safe, be happy, all that good stuff. All right. See ya.